Welcome back, children. Let's begin our English class. Today we are going to do lesson 9, The Thief and the Thorn. Yes, and we will do the picture reading and text reading of this chapter. Remember, children, we have to focus on the sound words. So wherever we will get the th words, it will give the sound of the. In our previous class, we already done with the sound words. Once again, we will recap all the
TH sound words. Thumb, thick, tree, bath, breath, mouth.
and today we are going to start the picture reading from My English Reader, page number 27, lesson 9. Now let's begin the story of The Thief and the Thorn, which is based on the sound words. Let's see and begin the story. Before starting the lesson, we will look into the new words. Here are few new words. We will learn the word along with their meaning, and also I will show you how to frame sentences of these new words. First word is stick, S-T-I-C-K, stick, P-I-C-K, pick, U-P, up, pick up, stick, H-U-R-T, hurt, A-W-A-K-E, awake. Now I'll show you the meaning. The meanings of the new words are stick, a thin piece of wood that has fallen or been cut off a tree. Pick up, to take hold of and to lift up. Hurt, cause pain or injury. Awake, stop sleeping, wake up from sleep. Now we will learn how to make sentences using these new words. First word, S-T-I-C-K, stick. Rajesh has a stick. Pick up. The thief picks up the stick. Hurt. The boy hurts the thumb. Awake. Kamna was awake when I returned. We are going to start the picture and text reading of this story. Let's see who is the thief and let's see what and where is the thorn. So children, it's a story about a man whose name is Ravi. Look at Ravi. Can you see in this picture? Ravi is 30 years old. Like you all are 6 years old. Ravi is also 30 years old. Isn't it, children? And Ravi is a thin man. Can you see in this picture? You can look at his body. How thin he is. He is not fat. He is very thin and Ravi is sleeping. Let's see. His eyes are closed. It means he is sleeping. Can you see in this picture? Yes. And look here. What is this? Ravi has a stick. What is this? Can you see? Ravi has a stick. There is a stick on floor, and if you look carefully, there are some thorns on the stick, like there are thorns on the stem of the rose flower. In the same way, there are some thorns on the stick. Let's count how many thorns are there. 1, 2, 3. So the stick has 3 thorns. And what is happening? See, the stick has 3 thorns. There is a thief on the wall. See, someone is there on the wall. Who is he? Do you know, children? Who is he? Oh, a man has come. Might be he wants to steal something from the house. From whose house? From Ravi's house. Oh God, he is the thief. He is the thief. He wants to take something from the house. It means he is a thief. So let's see if Ravi will be able to save himself from this thief or not. So what is the line? There is a thief on the wall. So from these lines you can come across few the sound words. What are those? The T, THIN thin, THREE 3, THORNS thorns, THIEF thief. Now look at this picture. What is happening? Ravi gets up. And what is the thief doing here? The thief picks up the stick. See, earlier the stick was on the floor. Now the thief picks up the stick. And what happens when he picks up the stick? Oh, do you know what is this red liquid? Can you see red color? It is blood. Why there is a blood? Because the stick has thorns. Do you remember, children? And when the thief picks up the stick, what happens? The thief hurts the thumb. THUMB, thumb. The thief hurts the thumb. See, his thumb is bleeding. He got hurt because these thorns are very sharp. So the thief hurt the thumb and the thumb starts bleeding. Children, where is your thumb? This is your thumb. So in these lines you learned the sound words. What are those? THIEF thief and thumb. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, now let's see next what happens. And then Ravi is awake now. Ravi is awake now. Earlier he was sleeping. He was sleeping here. And Ravi immediately pulls the thread. Can you see in this picture? Ravi is awake now. Ravi pulls the thread which was tied on this stick. Okay. Ravi pulls the thread. The thief falls down. See here, the thief in the picture. Can you see the thief falls down? And then Ravi gets a thrill. What are the words you have learned, children? THREED, thread. Again thief, THRILL, thrill. These are the sound words. And then what happens? The thief feels thirsty. He wants to drink water. The thief is thirsty. Again you underline thirsty, THIRSTY, thirsty. He wants to drink water. And then Ravi gives water from thermos. Can you see in this picture? Yes, Ravi gives water from the thermos. Underline thermos. THERMOS, thermos. The sound words you can come across from these lines. And when the thief drank the water, can you see the thief is drinking water? The thief says, thank you. THANK, thank. YOU, thank you. So children, this is all about the story of the thief and the thorn. Okay, we got so many the sound words in this lesson, isn't it, children? What are those? Thirty, thumb, thread, thirsty, thermos, thank you, etc. So children, not only these the sound words, we will underline some more new words which are not based on the sound. Okay, what are those words? STICK, stick. You write one, children. Next, second one, pigs. You can write here number 2. Next word, hurts. You can write 3. So these words are not the sound words. These are different new words you have learned in this lesson. Next word can you write? Fourth one, awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. Next, down. You can write as fifth one. Next, sixth one. You can write one more new word. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water.